Why are you using many apps for notes, tasks, and even planning? So what if I tell you that one app could actually do everything for you? So today on App Fix and End channel, I will show you what Notion is and why millions of people love it. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Notion is all-in-one productivity and organization app. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button at this point. It is really going to help. So you can actually use this Notion app for notes, task management, project planning, calendar, study material, content creation, and even more. So instead of switching between different apps, Notion puts everything in one workplace. Now here is the biggest reason why people actually love Notion and why Notion is actually the biggest flex right now. You can completely customize your workplace in the way you want. So this is what it is used for. Students use it for study notes, creators use it for content planning, businesses use it for managed teams and projects. It is simple for beginners but powerful enough for professionals. So this is how Notion actually works. Every text, images, checklist, table, or video is a movable block. You can actually drag and organize everything easily. So you can actually create a to-do list on the Notion app. You can create a calendar on the Notion app. You can create a databases. You can create habit trackers. You can actually create a teamwork space. You can actually create a personal journal as well on the Notion app. You can do all of this on the Notion app. Notion also includes AI features. It can actually help you to create content, summarize your notes, brainstorm ideas, and even improve productivity. So it is not just an organization app anymore, it is becoming a more smart workspace. So in conclusion, if you want to stay organized, save your time, manage everything in one workplace, Notion is definitely going to worth your time. So thanks for watching this video on App Fix and End channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more app tutorials, tech tips, and earning apps. See you in the next one.